Let me tell you something that should genuinely stop you for a second. You already know what a Mercedes-Benz looks like. That three-pointed star on the hood, the chrome grille, the black and silver interior, the leather, the precision, the feeling that everything around you has been engineered to perfection. Now imagine living inside that feeling. Not inside a Mercedes-Benz car, inside a city designed by Mercedes-Benz. 12 towers, 13,000 apartments, a 341-meter skyscraper at the center. It is spread across 929,000 square meters in the Meydan district of Dubai. Total value, $8.2 billion. The world's first city designed by a car brand, and it is rising from the desert of Dubai right now. Before you go, if stories like this are what you want more of, hit subscribe. We cover the most extraordinary construction, engineering, and architectural projects happening right now around the world, every single week. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's go inside this project completely. How this even happened. The origin story. This project didn't appear out of nowhere. It started with a relationship between two very ambitious organizations. The project was officially announced on December 16, 2025, during a signing ceremony at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart, Germany, between Muhammad bin Hadi, CEO of Bin Hadi Developers, and Matthias Geisen, head of Mercedes-Benz Brand Experience, a signing ceremony at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. The symbolism of that location is not accidental. The home of Mercedes-Benz history, where the company's greatest cars are preserved and celebrated, is where the deal was signed to build the company's first branded city on Earth. The development extends the partnership from a single 65-story tower announced last year into an entire urban ecosystem. This is their second collaboration. The first was a single 65-story tower in downtown Dubai already under construction. That project was ambitious. This one is a different scale of ambition entirely. Bin Hadi is an Emirati real estate company that has a portfolio of 80 projects valued at more than 80 billion dirhams and has delivered more than 12,500 residential units. 80 projects, 12,500 delivered residential units. Bin Hadi is not a startup. They are one of the most active and credible developers in the Gulf, with the scale and track record to attempt something of this complexity. And Mercedes-Benz, a company founded in 1926, is doing something it has never done in nearly a century of existence. Building a city. The launch. 25,000 people, drones, and a concept car. The public launch of Mercedes-Benz Place's Bin Hadi City happened on January 14, 2026. The launch drew 25,000 attendees to Meydan, where Hollywood actor Terry Crews hosted the reveal alongside a drone show and the Middle East premiere of the Mercedes-Benz Vision iconic concept car. 25,000 people attending a real estate launch event. Not a car show, not a music concert, a real estate project announcement. The Mercedes-Benz Vision iconic concept car making its Middle East debut was on display as both a product reveal and a visual statement about what this city will feel like. The car is not for sale. It exists to show where Mercedes-Benz design is going, and that same design direction is what Bin Hadi City will be built around. Drone shows, a Hollywood host, a concept car premiere, 25,000 people in the desert. Dubai does not build projects quietly, and neither does Mercedes-Benz. What it actually is the vision of a city within a city. Mercedes-Benz Places, Bin Hadi City has been planned as a self-sustained urban ecosystem with luxury residences, cultural and leisure districts, retail boulevards, parks, mobility hubs, wellness zones, dining, entertainment, and community spaces. The project is designed to offer residents everything within walking distance. That is the foundational urban planning philosophy behind this development. Not a collection of towers that you drive between. A walkable community in one of the most car-dependent cities on Earth where residents can live their entire daily life without ever needing to get into a vehicle. The location matters enormously. The city is located in the Meydan district of Dubai, a rapidly developing area close to downtown Dubai, Business Bay, and major transport corridors. Meydan is one of Dubai's fastest-growing districts, home to the famous Meydan Racecourse, one of the greatest horse racing venues in the world. Adjacent to Business Bay, close enough to downtown Dubai to be connected to the city's commercial heart, far enough out to allow the scale of development that 10 million square feet requires, covering 929,000 square meters, the equivalent of 130 football fields. This is Bin Hadi's first master-planned community, marking a major evolution from tower-based developments to large-scale urban communities. 130 football fields. The mathematical scale of this project is almost too large to process. You could lay 130 full-size football pitches across this development site and still be within its boundaries. The architecture, a car translated into buildings. Here is where this project becomes genuinely fascinating from a design perspective. The development centers around Vision Iconic, a 341-meter tower that anchors an arrangement of 11 staggered buildings, declining in height as they radiate outward. This deliberate asymmetry creates a skyline composition where each structure maintains visual distinction amongst the whole. 341 meters. That is taller than the Chrysler Building in New York, taller than the Eiffel Tower. The anchor tower of this development alone would be the most dramatic building in most cities on Earth, and then 11 more towers surrounding it, each one stepping down in height as they move outward from the center, creating a skyline that functions like a composition, like a photograph, like a designed object, because that is exactly what it is. Architectural choices lift directly from Mercedes-Benz's greatest hits, horizontal podiums across the development channel, the manufacturer's signature grille, while silver and chrome accents make sure the buildings gleam like they just rolled off the Stuttgart assembly line. The overarching thought is for the layout to mirror that of a car with a central console carrying all the vitals. The grille of a Mercedes-Benz, that distinctive horizontal line that defines the front face of every car the company makes, translated into the horizontal podiums connecting the buildings. Silver and chrome. The material language of luxury automotive design applied to a city's exterior surfaces. A central console. The layout of the entire development mirrors the interior architecture of a Mercedes-Benz cabin. This is not a car company slapping its logo on a real estate project. This is a car company's design language being used as the literal architectural blueprint for an entire urban district. Each of the 12 towers carries the name of a Mercedes-Benz concept vehicle, including Vision 111, Vision Mercedes Simplex, Vision Mercedes Maybach 6, and Vision AVTR. The towers don't have street numbers. They have concept car names, and inside those towers, interior spaces throughout the 13,000 apartments follow the sensual purity philosophy that guides Mercedes-Benz product design. Black and silver establish the foundational palette accented by warm wood tones and genuine leather finishes. Sensual purity. That is the internal design philosophy Mercedes-Benz uses to create the interior of every car it builds. The same philosophy in your living room, in your kitchen, in your bedroom. Black, silver, wood, leather. Your apartment designed like the inside of the car you drive. The branded residences. Trend, why this is happening now. This project does not exist in isolation. It is the most extreme expression of a trend that has been accelerating globally for over a decade. A recent report by estate agent company Knight Frank finds growing global demand for luxury branded residences. It reveals that while the number of projects was 169 in 2011, it rose to 611 in 2024 with a forecast of 1,019 by 2030. 169 branded residence projects in 2011, 611 in 2024. 1,019 forecast by 2030. The market for living inside your favorite brand is growing at an extraordinary pace. Faisal Durrani, head of research at Knight Frank Middle East, told the BBC, "Branded residences appeal most to individuals with extreme brand loyalty, people who want to live and breathe a particular brand. Live and breathe a particular brand." That is the consumer psychology driving this entire category. And Mercedes-Benz, with one of the most loyal customer bases of any luxury brand on Earth, is perfectly positioned to capitalize on it. Dubai has become the global epicenter of this phenomenon. Dubai had an estimated 81,200 millionaires and 20 billionaires in 2024. The UAE is expected to attract a record 9,800 relocating millionaires this year, drawn by regulatory reforms and a tax-free lifestyle. 81,200 millionaires, 20 billionaires, 9,800 new millionaires arriving per year. These are the buyers that branded residences are being built for. And these buyers are choosing Dubai at a rate that is making every major luxury brand on Earth rethink where to plant their flag. Porsche has a tower here. Aston Martin has a tower here. Bentley is building here. Bugatti has a tower here. And now Mercedes-Benz is not building a tower. They are building a city. What makes Dubai the right city for this? This could not have happened in London, or New York, or Paris. Dubai has a specific combination of conditions that makes a project like this possible. Speed of regulatory approval, land availability at the scale required, a government that actively facilitates rather than delays ambitious development, a buyer base drawn from every wealthy nation on Earth, a construction industry capable of executing at this scale. Dubai's residential market saw a 16.5% increase in transaction volumes in 2025. The off-plan segment, where buyers purchase before completion, is the primary driver. Off-plan buying. Buyers committing to apartments before a single foundation is poured. based on architectural renderings and a developer's track record. That willingness, driven by confidence in Dubai's market trajectory, is what funds mega projects like this before they are built. And the market confidence is not unfounded. Dubai's property market has consistently outperformed expectations across the past decade. Prices have risen, international buyer demand has grown. The city's position as a global hub for business, tourism, and wealth management has strengthened year by year. A project valued at $8.2 billion in this market, in this city backed by these two partners, is not a gamble. It is a calculated statement about where the luxury real estate market is heading. The full picture. Let's put everything together. $8.2 billion, 10 million square feet, 12 towers, 13,000 apartments, a 341-meter anchor tower named Vision Iconic, 11 surrounding towers each named after a Mercedes-Benz concept car. Architecture referencing the brand's signature grille and design language. Interiors following the sensual purity design philosophy. Black, silver, wood, leather, retail boulevards, cultural districts, wellness zones, parks, mobility hubs. The world's first planned city built entirely around a car brand's aesthetic identity. Announced December 2025, launched January 2026, rising in Meydan, Dubai, the world's first Mercedes-Benz city. This is not the future of real estate. This is real estate that is happening right now, in the desert, in a city that keeps doing things the rest of the world said were impossible. Mercedes-Benz spent nearly a century building cars that people aspire to own. Now it is building the city those people will aspire to live in. If this story made you see Dubai and what branded luxury is becoming completely differently, share it with someone who needs to know this is actually happening. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now. We cover the most extraordinary projects on Earth every week. See you in the next one.